Hi everyone. So welcome back to second lecture of probability. Just before we start with this lecture, I hope you've revised what we did in the last lecture. Now, based on which, let's begin with this probability, which means just the possibility or a chance, correct? And I hope you recall the formula, which is probability of an event equals to n of a upon n of s, correct? Where, what do you mean by n of s? Number of things in the sample space upon, and what is the numerator? N of a, which means what? Number of elements present in the event A, the desired event A, correct? Now, let's do few questions based on the basics that you've learned in the last lecture. So, exercise 23, that is probability chapter, I'm going to pick up few questions. So, there is this question number 7th, which I will start. I'll show you the question. Here is question 7. It says, a bag contains 3 white, 5 black and 2 red balls. Okay, all of the same size. A ball is drawn from the bag without looking into it. Okay. Find the probability that the ball drawn is a black ball. Okay, fine. Let's understand the question once again. So there is a bag which contains 3 types of balls, white, black and red. So and so, so and so, so and so. 3, 5 and 2. One ball I randomly pick up, and what is the possibility or probability that it is a black ball? That is this question. So the first thing that I would do is I would like to write the sample space. So sample space will be equals to what? I'll write it. 3 white balls, 5 black balls and 2 red balls. Okay. This is my sample space. So what is the number of elements in the sample space? 3 plus 5 plus 2. 8 plus 2. Answer is 10. Correct? I need not write n of s in curly brackets, but it's fine. So n of s is how much? 10. Any doubts till now? I hope not. So going ahead. Next thing, he wants me to find randomly if I pick a ball, then what is the chance that it is a black ball? So that means the event that I want is, the desired event A is here, first one, black balls. So I'll come to n of A. Number of elements here will be what? Black balls are how many? Can I say it is 5? So it is 5. Okay? N of A is done, N of S is done. Now I'll come to my formula. Probability of the event A will be equal to N of A upon N of S, which is equal to 5 upon 10, which is equal to 1 upon 2. That's it. Everybody? Nice. Then, the way we found black balls in the first part of the question, second part of the question is asking you, what is the chance that next thing is a red ball? Exactly same method, nothing different. White ball, same method. Now this is different, not a red ball. So I have to find the probability that the ball drawn is not a red ball. So I'll come to this kind of question now. This is fourth one that we're talking about. And let me call not A, but this as whatever, B, C, D, whatever, D. D equals to not a red ball. This means what? When you say not a red ball, you mean that this is something I don't want. It could be any of this or this. Am I right? So that means I can write this in the next step. That is, D is actually equal to 3 white balls and 5 black balls. But I won't write 2 red balls because I want not a red ball. So it's this and this. Now I can easily find n of s, which is equal to. N of s will be equal to what? 3 plus 5. Answer is 8. So sorry, not n of s, it is n of d. So n of d will be equal to what? 3 plus 5, which is 8. Everybody understandable? Now, probability of the event that D occurs equals to. That means probability that not a red ball is drawn equals to. Formula is same. N of D upon N of S, which is equal to 8 upon N of S was 10. So 8 upon 10. So 2 4s are, 2 5s are. Here is my answer. 4 upon 5. Everybody, can I say it's clear now? Nice. So we're done with 7th question. You got to do it and see on your own to be very clear with it. The steps should be as you see here. Okay? Alright, let's go ahead. Now the next question that we're going to pick up is question number 8th one. So 8th question says, in a single throw of a die, okay, that means dice, whatever you call. So in a single throw of a die, find the probability that the number will be an even number. Now first of all, you people tell me, when I throw a die, what is sample space? Come on. I hope you said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. Next. N of S equals to 6. Correct? Next. He wants this event. It should be an even number. So I'll write capital A equals to even number. That is capital A equals to. Now even number will be what? 2, 4, 6. Will I write 8 also? No. Because on a dice, do we have 8? No. So 2, 4, 6. These 3 numbers will come in what? In A equals to. Correct? Then next step. N of A equals to 3. Because 2, 4 and 6, how many numbers? 3. So 3 is N of A and N of S was 6. So probability equals to 3 upon 6, which is equal to 1 upon 2. Now, I did this orally and I did not write because I wanted you people to do it on your own. So similarly, this and this can be done. Now just one thing. Can you orally answer me now? If he is asking, what is the probability that it will not be an even number? Means what? In other words, he is asking, will not be an even number. That means it will be an odd number. That means this answer and this answer will be same. Yes or no? Correct? It will be same. Acha. Now Next question, again a oral simple question. 10th one. He says, which of the following cannot be a probability of an event? Cannot be a probability. First one, he says 2 upon 7. Now forget this. Recall, we've learned in the first lecture that probability can only range from minimum to maximum, which is 0 से लेकर 1. उसके बीच में ही होता है. When I say 1, it means 100%. When I say 0, it means 0%. उस 100 से ज़्यादा यानी 100% से ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं होता. 0% से कम कुछ नहीं होता. यानी my probability can always be between 0 and 1. Okay? So, if he is asking, is this a probability? 2 by 7. You will say, sir, पता नहीं 0 और 1 के बीच में है या नहीं. If you don't know, you can find it. For example, can I solve this 2 upon 7 easily? 2 upon 7 means what? That means I have to divide 7 and 2. Am I right? So when I divide, so it will be 0 point. So it becomes 20. 7 2s are 14. Now you can stop here. Don't finish it. Because main thing is, you got it 0.2. Now 0 और 1 के बीच में, this is minimum, this is maximum. क्या 0.2 आता है? हाँ, आता है. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 से लेकर 1. So can I say this 0.2 lies between 0 and 1? That means this can be a probability. So 2 by 7 is possible to become a probability. Next. 3.8. क्या 3.8 will come between 0 and 1? Not at all. Because 3 is more than 1. So this is not a probability. Which of the following cannot be the probability? This cannot be the probability. Next. 37%. You'll say, sir, this is more than 1. No, but I'm talking about percent now. तो percent कहाँ से कहाँ तक है? 0% से लेके 100% तक. So is this a probability? Yes, this can be a probability. Minus 0.8. You'll say, sir, yes. Answer is no. I agree with 0.8 lies between 0 and 1, but my dear, this is minus, negative. So 0 से कम is what? Negative numbers. So this cannot be a probability. This, yes, because it is positive. Tell me this. You need not divide it and see in this case because already negative hai. So answer is no, this cannot be a probability. This one, 7 by 8. You can divide it and see. So 8, 7, 0.8. How many is are? Can I say 8 8s are? 64. So 0.8, I need not solve further. 0.8, yes, it is a probability. So yes, this is also a probability. Am I clear, everyone? I hope. Okay. One last question to be done. And it's a very interesting question, 13th. Let's see what the question says. A book contains 92 pages. A page is chosen at random. What is the probability that the sum of the digits in the page is number 9? Sorry. What is the probability the sum of the digits in the page number is 9? मतलब he is asking, so there is this book जिसमें टोटल पेजेस कितना दिया है? 92 पेजेस है. अच्छा, उसमें से मैंने सडनली एक पेज खोला, तो क्या चांस है कि जो मैंने पेज खोला उसका जो पेज नंबर है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वो पेज नंबर 45 है, तो 45 में डिजिट्स का सम कितना होता है? 4 + 5 कितना होता है? 9. तो इसको वही चाहिए. ऐसे कौन से पेज नंबर्स हो सकते हैं जिनका सम इज 9? अगर मैं पेज नंबर लेता हूं 24, तो 4 + 2 इज हाउ मच? 6. सो क्या उसका सम 9 है? नहीं. सो मुझे ऐसे वाले पेज नंबर्स ढूंढने हैं जिनका सम इज 9. Don't worry, this is going to be interesting and simple. Let's begin. First of all, book contains how many pages? 92. So I'll start with my sample space as my first step. I'll say sample space equals to. What is there in sample space? List down all the things that can be done that are there in the book. That means 1 से लेकर 92 pages. So 1, 2, 3 and so on till 92. So that means my n of s is simply 92. Further, now he wants the desired event A such that उसमें क्या आना चाहिए? Sum of the digits of the page number is 9. Sum of digits is how much? 9. I'm not writing it clearly. You need to write very clear sentence. Sum of the digits of the book is 9. I'm explaining, so I'll write it in short. Okay? That is, A will be equal to n of A I will find, but उससे just पहले this is where I list down कि कौन से पेज नंबर्स हैं जिनका sum of digits is 9. Okay? So let's start order wise. First page number जो आएगा जिसका sum will be 9 will be page number 09. Correct है? Because 9 plus 0 is 9. अच्छा, now if I take 10, तो क्या उनका sum is 9? No. So 11, 12, 13 and so on. I'll go on checking. So can I say the next number is 18? Correct? Now look, I'll tell you a very easy way out. 0, then write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 plus what will give you 9? 8. So page number 18. 2 plus what will give you 9? 2 plus 7. So 27. Can I say 27 will be the correct page number? Then next page number, check it out. 27 के बाद अगर 28 page number उठाया तो क्या वो 8 plus 2 देगा 9? No. So for sure the next page number is gonna be 3 plus what will give you 9? 6. So 36. 4 plus what? 5 will give you 9. 5 plus 4. 6 plus 3. 7 plus 2. 8 plus 1. 9 plus 0. So these many are the page numbers जिनका sum of digits will be 9. Understood? Did you understand that trick? Write 0 to 9 and then go on finding the numbers that will add up to 9. That's it. Those are your page numbers. So that is that is A equals to में क्या क्या आएगा? These. You write 9, 0, 9, then 18, then 27, then 36, and so on. Everything till 90. When you will count them, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Answer is n of A is 10. Now it's simple. Again, my formula, probability of this event A, that is this. That means probability of sum of digits B9 will be equals to n of A upon n of S, which is equal to 10 upon n of S is 92. Cancellations. Chalo. 2 5s are 2 4s are 8. This becomes 12. So how much? 6 are 12. So 5 by 46. That's the probability. That's my final answer. Now, I hope you've understood this one and you found it interesting. I really hope that. If you really found it interesting, let me know. Just WhatsApp me, sir, this was interesting and I really understood it. Okay. Now, with that, we will stop the lecture here and I will see you very soon with the next chapter in the next lecture. So for time being, your job is to finish the exercise after this lecture. Okay. Chalo.